Hey everyone, it's me, Mr. G, coming at you with the Chapter 3, Lesson 1 questions on hunter-gatherers. In this lesson, we discussed the earliest period of human history known as the Stone Age.
Flintstones, meet the Flintstones, they're the modern Stone Age family.
Exactly! It's a lot like the Flintstones, only nothing like it. The Stone Age is actually broken up into two parts. This lesson is covering the first part, the Paleolithic Age. Paleolithic is the Greek word for old stone, so you can also call it the Old Stone Age. Started about 2.5 million years ago and lasted till about 8000 BC. The way people had to live during this time period was not easy. You could almost say that their lives were a little rocky. Hey everyone, it's me, Mr. G. Open your mind and your heart and let's take a closer look at historical events that shape who we are today, here on History in the Round. Let's get into the questions. Number 1, what is another name for the Paleolithic Age? As I mentioned earlier, the Paleolithic Age is also called the Old Stone Age. It's called this because people use stones to make tools and weapons. Number 2, by what methods did Paleolithic people get food? Remember that early humans didn't have much of a choice. The only way they could get food was by hunting and gathering. Number 3, how did fire help Paleolithic people survive? Remember that once early humans discovered fire, their lives were changed forever because they used it for so many things. They used it to provide warmth, they used it to help scare animals away, to light the darkness, and it was also used for cooking. Number 4, how did the Ice Ages affect where people settled in the Americas? This is a question that has to do with the 6 essential elements of geography, particularly environment and society, because it talks about how people adapt to nature. The Ice Ages created a land bridge from Asia to the Americas. When the Ice Ages ended, people were able to migrate to different regions. How does climate affect the type of house you live in or the clothes you wear? Well, this is pretty common sense. If people were living in very cold temperatures, they had to use animal furs and they had to create shelters that would help them adapt to the cold. Number 6 says you're a mother or a father who lives in the early Paleolithic Age. In a few paragraphs, describe your daily life. So in this answer, you can tell me anything that early humans did to survive from day to day. You could talk about hunting and gathering, building shelter, sewing clothes, and anything like that would help for this question. Get those answers and questions submitted on time. See you soon!